If you think you can't make money with ChatGPT in Nigeria, this video will change your mind. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways you can start making money with ChatGPT even if you have no experience. Way 1: Content writing. You can use ChatGPT for content writing. Businesses need articles, captions, and emails every day. Simply tell ChatGPT what to write, edit to bit and deliver to clients. Way 2: Social media management. Manage social media pages for business. You can use ChatGPT to generate posts, captions, and ideas for businesses. Many small businesses don't know what to post. You can help them and get paid. Way 3: Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, guides, or simple tutorials. Use ChatGPT to create the content, then sell it online or on WhatsApp. The more you practice using ChatGPT, the better your results and more money you can make. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe for more ways to make money online.